Dear student, today we will see life science mathematics model question paper 4 of Madhyamik 2025. I have asked questions like we do in Madhyamik. Now we will see the exam rules. First 50 minutes only for reading question and remaining 3 hours for right answers. Full marks 90 for regular candidates. Direction Introduction to candidates. 1. Moderate and appropriate answer will be given special value. 2. Marks may be dropped in case of scoring untidy and untidy handwriting. Direction. For regular candidates, the question of group A, B, C and D will have to be answered. We can take note. Mathematics answers are given below for composition, and comment us to get answer to question. Now we will see the group A question. 1. Choose the correct option for the following question. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Each question marks 1. 1. X varies 1 by y, then the value of x plus y will be lowest when option A x is equal to y, option B x is equal to 2y, option C 2x is equal to y, option D x is equal to 3y. 2. The amount is rupees y in x shares at the simple interest 4% per annum. Then the principal is option A rupees y by 100x, B rupees 100y by 100 plus 4x, C rupees 100x by 100 plus 4y, option D rupees 4xy. Question number 3. If y is equal to 2x minus 5 and the median of x is 16, then the median of y is option A 25, option B 27, option C 32, option D 28. Question number 4. ABC is right angle triangle. AB is equal to 3 semi, AC is equal to 4 semi and BC is equal to 5 semi. Then the radius of incircle of triangle ABC is option A 1 semi, option B 1.25 semi, option C 7 semi, option D 2 semi. Question number 5. The last value of sec squared theta plus cosec squared theta is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Question number 6. If a sphere inside a cube, then find the ratio of the volume of the sphere to the volume of the cube. Fill in the blanks. Any 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. Question number 1. The number of real roots in the equation x minus 1 square plus x minus 2 square plus x minus 3 square is equal to 0 are dash. Question number 2. If the amount for some money P at the rate of 8% compound interest per annum for n years B P 1 plus r by 100 to the power 4 into 1 plus r by 200, then the value of n is dash. Question number 3. A B C D be a cylinder quadrilateral and it is diagonals in intersect at P. If angle APB is equal to 120 degree and angle CBD is equal to 60 degree, then angle ADB is equal to dash. Question number 4. Frequency of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4, f respectively. If the main be 4, f then dash. Question number 5. The circumradius of an equilateral triangle is 4 root 3 cm. The radius of incircle of the triangle is dash. Question number 6. If tan 70 degree minus tan 30 degree is equal to 1, then the value of tan 20 degree dash. 3. Write true and false any 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. Question number 1. 0 degree greater than is equal to theta greater than is equal to 90 degree and x is real positive number, then the value of sin theta can not be x plus 1 by x. Question number 2. Height semi-vertical cube surface area and volume of right circle cone by h alpha s v respectively, then s is to v is equal to 3 is to h sin alpha. Question number 3. The amount of some money rupees 2p at the compound interest 2r by 3% per annum in t by 2 years is rupees 2p plus ptr by 150. Question number 4. O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC and angle OAB is equal to 50 degree. Then the magnitude of angle ACD is 50 degree. Question number 5. A rationality factors 3 root 6 of is 3 root 5. Question number 6. For a given data with 50 observation, the two kind of Mujib's interest at 15.5, 20. Then their median of the data is 15.5. 4. Answer any 10 questions. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Each question marks 2. Question number 1. A shopkeeper fixed two types of price for his product. One type is cash payment and the other type is payment after 6 months. If the simple interest is 5% per annum, then find the ratio of the two types of price. Question number 2. In a partnership business, A invests 0.3 Madhyamik times, then invest of B, and after 1 year the profit is rupees 236. Find their profit share. Question number 3. If the sum of space of roots of the equation x square minus a minus 2x plus a minus 3 is equal to 0 be least, then find the value of a. Question number 4. X, 12, y, 27 are in continued progression and x, y are positive. Find the value of x plus y. Question number 5. Triangle ABC approx triangle DEF and in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, then corresponding side of AB, BC and CA are DE, DF and EF and DF respectively. If angle A is equal to 47 degree and E is equal to 83 degree, then angle C is equal to question mark. 6. Two chords PQ and PR of a circle are mutually perpendicular to each other. If the longest of the radius of the circle is r semi, find the length of the chord QR. Question number 7. 3 point A, B and C lie on the circle with center O in such a way that AOCB is a parallelogram. Find the value of angle AOC. Question number 8. If summation upper limit a lower limit I is equal to 1, xi plus 5 is equal to 90 and summation upper limit n and lower limit I is equal to 1, xi minus 3 is equal to 10, then find the value x bar and n. 9. Find the last value of 2 sin square x plus 2 cos square x. Question number 10. If the surface area of a sphere increased by 125 degree, how much percentage will be increased of its radius? Question number 11. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Find the value of cos theta. Question number 12. A rectangular paper sheet has the dimension 22 semi into 50 semi. 15 semi. Find the volume of the cylinder formed by completely revealing the paper with respect to its smaller side. Fine. Answer any one question. 1 is 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. Question number 1. Raman Babu deposit rupees 3,70,000 in total in 3 banks. The rate of simple interest per annum in 3 banks are 4%, 5% and 6% respectively. After 1 year, the total interest in 3 banks are equal. Calculate the amount he has deposited in each of the 3 banks. Question number 2. In a partnership business, we invest 1 by 2 times of invest of A. After 8 months, B has withdrawn his half investment. Again, after 2 months of withdrawal of B, A has withdrawn has 1 by 4th of his investment. If the yearly profit was rupees 530, calculate the share of each from them. Six. Answer any one question. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Each question marks 3. Question number 1. If alpha be a root of the equation 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, prove that 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is the other root. Question number 2. Solve x minus 2 into x minus 3 minus a plus 1 by a square is equal to 0. 7. Answer any one question. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Each question marks 3. 1. If x is equal to 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 and y is equal to 1 plus root 2 minus root 3, then find the value of x square plus 4xy plus y square by x plus y. 2. If ax plus by proportional to root over xy, prove that ax square plus by square proportional to xy, where a and b are constant. 8. Answer any one questions. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Each question marks 3. 1. If a cube plus 3ab square by b cube plus 3a square b is equal to 63 by 62, then find the value of a is to b. 2. If x is equal to cy plus bz, y is equal to az plus cx, z is equal to bx plus ay, then show that x square is to y square is to z square is equal to 1 minus a square is to 1 minus b square is to 1 minus c square. 9. Answer any one question. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. 1. Prove that in any right angle triangle, if a perpendicular is drawn from right angle point on hypotenuse, then the two triangles on both sides of his perpendicular are similar and each of them is similar to original triangle. Question number 2. Prove that if two circles touch each other, then the point of connected will be on the line segment joining the two centers. 10. Answer any one question. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Each question marks 3. 1. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle whose angle B is right angle. A bisector AD of angle BAC which intersects BC at D. Prove that CD square plus 2B D square. Question number 2. Two chords AB and CD of a circle with center O intersect each other at P. Prove that angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 2 angle BPC. Question number 11. Answer any one question. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Each question marks 5. Question number 1. Determine the value of root over 23 in geometric method. Question number 2. Draw an isosceles triangle whose length of the base is 5.2 cm and each of the equal side is 7 cm. Draw the circumcircle of the triangle. Question number 12. Answer any two question. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Each question marks 3. 1. If P tan theta is equal to tan P theta, then show that sin square P theta by sin square theta is equal to P square by 1 plus P square minus 1 sin square theta. Question number 2. Prove that tan 73 degree plus cot 61 degree. Tan 70 degree plus by tan 70 degree plus cot 29 degree is equal to tan 73 degree into cot 61 degree. Question number 3. Find the value of tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan 60 degree tan 30 degree plus cos 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree sin 30 degree. Answer any one questions. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 1. Mohit standing in the middle of a field observed a flying bird in his north at an angle of elevation of 30 degree, and after 2 minutes he observed the bird in his south at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. If the bird fills in a straight line all along at a highest of 5 to 3 m, find its speed in kilometer per hour. Question number 2. A spherical balloon of radius r, substance and angle alpha at the eye of A observed, while the angle of elevation of its center is beta. Show that the highest of the center of the balloon in r sin beta cosec alpha by 2. Answer any two questions. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Each question marks is 4. 1. A right circular cone is divided by a plane parallel to its base in two equal volumes. In what ratio will be plane divided the highest of the cone? Two. If a wooden log with a shape of right angle calibrated with square across section is made by wasting minimum wood from a right circular wooden log having the diameter of 12 root semi and length of 21 m. Calculate the quantity of remaining wood and the quantity of waste woods. Question number 3. The curved surface of a solid metallic sphere is cut in such a way that the curved surface area of the now sphere is half of that previous one. Calculate the ratios of the volume of the protein cut of and the remaining version of the sphere. Answer any two questions. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Each question marks 4. Question number 1. Find the mode of the frequency distribution table given below. Class interval frequency 45 to 54 8, 55 to 64 13, 65 to 74 19, 75 to 18, 84 32, 85 to 94 12, 95 to 104 6. Question number 2. Find the media of given data class interval frequency 51 to 64, 61 to 70 10, 71 to 80 50, 81 to 90 20, 91 to 115, 101 to 104. Question number 3. Class frequency 100 to 120 12, 120 to 140 14, 140 to 168, 160 to 186, 180 to 210. Drawing less than type overlap and generate then type Visualize of given data along same axis on the graph paper. Find the median for the graph. Answer. Mathematics model question paper 1, 2, 3 are given in this channel. You can check to the student of 2025 Madhyamik. Your exam is good. Thank you.